Hey everyone, we are back finally with some new videos and a new adventure starting today.
Back to the same Airbnb we were at a couple years ago.
Alright, so we've got all of our bags packed. We went from living in an RV to living in an actual house where we could have all the space we wanted to back to suitcases. So
definitely out of practice.
Yeah, we are out of practice. We've spent like the past week test packing,
well, it's been over a year too since we've been on a plane, which for us is pretty damn crazy.
Yeah, it's a long time for us, so I'm excited to be back on a plane. I'm excited of like 9 hours of not being bothered because of the last few weeks of like trying to get ready for this trip. We've been just running around like crazy, so I'm looking forward to some movies on the plane.
I mean, I'm excited too, but I'm also really nervous about this plane. I don't do well in confined areas, and now I know we got to get on a 10-hour flight to Frankfurt and then another 2-hour leg to Croatia, so we got a long haul ahead of us, so I'm kind of nervous about that, but I am really excited to get to Europe and get in this sweet VW bus that we got
yes,
pick up in what, 2 days? 3 days?
2 days,
3 days?
yeah.
2 days.
So, all right, I guess we will catch you from
Zagreb.
Zagreb. We made it to Zagreb finally after a long flight. We're feeling tired, but we're excited to get to our Airbnb and get settled in.
It's about 45
know the
degrees
routine.
cooler too.
Yeah, it is. It's chilly, but we know from last time it's better to get an Uber to get to the apartment, so we're waiting on our Uber now, and we'll check you when we get to the apartment.
Back to the same Airbnb we were at a couple years ago.
Do you remember where to go?
I actually do remember all this.
We're like down in a basement. Dungeon. And this is our cute little apartment right in the city center. I think it's like a 5-minute walk to the main square, if I remember correctly. Charlie's
I'm beat.
taking a break, but we got a bed, another little bed / couch. There's not much of a workspace in here, but we're only here for 2 nights, so it's not really an issue this time. And then I'll show you the bathroom. Shower, little washing machine, very little washing machine. Toilet, sink, and that's it. Not too bad for 30 bucks. All right, we're settled in. We figured before we got too comfortable, we better go out and get some food and get some like waters and stuff from the store.
I know, I'm about to crash.
Yeah,
hard
once we
after that
shower
flight.
and like brush our teeth and all that, we're gonna be done for the night. So
It is freezing here.
yeah, I had to change,
46 or
had to
something.
layer up a little bit. Yeah, but tomorrow and the rest of the week is supposed to be 60s and sunny, so it should be nice. I think we're gonna probably call it an afternoon here, but we'll take you out into Zagreb and show you around tomorrow. All right, it's like 12:30 and we're just heading out for the first time today. The jet lag is getting harder and harder with age.
Yeah, those long flights are getting worse and worse on us. For me not to get out of bed until 10, something
Yeah,
wrong.
that's very rare. Last night we were passed out by 6 p.m. Then we both woke up at like midnight and could not go back to sleep. Charlie, you finally fell asleep at like 2.
Probably 2, yeah.
I didn't fall asleep until about 4 o'clock, and then of course I slept till like 10.
Rolled out of bed about 11 o'clock.
And it took
Finally,
everything.
I was like, we gotta go.
Yeah, it took everything and me to like get ready, get myself out of bed. But we're going to get some coffees and do a little research. We're picking up the van tomorrow, and we still don't really know what we're doing. So today's goal is to like figure out our plan. Charlie's been thinking about these kebabs since we landed yesterday. We had these when we were here last time in this little like alleyway. Very discreet. It was closed when we got here yesterday, so we're here for lunch today.
better than McDonald's, I can tell you that much.
Still not exactly healthy. All right, some things have changed. Our plans have changed since we arrived. We were supposed to be picking up the camper van yesterday for a 10-day road trip, and that ended up not working out.
Yeah, I mean, last minute, first of all, we have a ton of stuff to get done, and we knew we weren't going to get anything done if we were in the camper van. But what happened was the guys at the camper van came into high season quicker than they thought they were going to, and didn't have a big enough van, and we have 6 months to a year worth of crap with us, so it wasn't gonna fit in the camper van.
Well, it probably just would have been like super cramped, like no bed
Maybe.
space.
We don't know. We don't know, and the times were changing. It was just like, it wasn't working out. The logistics of it wasn't really working out, so we said, let's just stay in Zagreb for, what is it, 2 weeks? Over 2 weeks.
Just over 2 weeks, yeah.
Get a bunch of work done before we go on our big Italy trip. So we moved apartments this morning into a bigger apartment and a better location, and we should be here for the 2-week duration.
Yeah.
Check it out. For 45 bucks, this is what you get in the city center of Zagreb. Yeah, so like I said, we are on the 5th floor. This is all the way on the top level of this building. There is an elevator in the building, and we are literally in the heart of downtown. So we have windows that wrap all the way around the outside of the building. So we got a really good view of downtown. I'm not sure how well it's gonna come out, but the cathedral is right there. So you kind of get an idea of literally right where the center is. Windows that wrap all around, a sweet desk. This is something that we don't usually get in an Airbnb, and because we have so much work to do, it was a perfect fit for us. Nice couch, TV with Netflix, so we can actually watch some US channels. Big size kitchen for Croatia. For all the Airbnbs we've ever been in, this is the biggest kitchen that I've ever seen, especially the fridge and the oven. Normally you don't get that, you just get the hot plate. And we have a separate living room and bedroom, so that will be good for our marriage when I get up early in the morning.
When he gets up at 6 a.m. and doesn't wake me up.
Decent size bathroom, but the world's smallest washing machine that I've ever seen, but it will do the job. Decent size shower. Window, you can see, maybe take a look out there, you can get an idea of how close the city center is and the street. Below us here, we have a convenience store, bakery, pretty much everything you want. Plus then, like I said, the main area is like a 2-minute walk away. So it's really close. And here's a small bedroom, but we do have storage, so we can unpack all our stuff for the entire 2 weeks, so we're not living out of a backpack like we have been for the last couple days. So overall, looking forward to it, looking forward to exploring this side of Zagreb. We realized after coming over here to check out this Airbnb that we haven't even seen this side of the city, so we're gonna see a different part of the city as well as get a ton of work, so get ready for a bunch of videos, and we are gonna plan for a massive Italy trip.